What is going on YouTube? Hitterback making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. Obviously, today, majority of today's video is going to be talking about the crazy XRP lawsuit settlement. We've gone over in the past 2 days, the past two videos, basically what has been going on with the lawsuit itself, going in depth about the actual lawsuit and what was the ruling and the judge's ruling and blah, 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 blah. Today is going to be mainly focused on the technical aspect of it, the price calculations, how the prices are moving, why we're hitting resistances, why we're starting to correct downwards, how we can profit off it, so on and so forth. So if you are interested in continuing this series that we've been doing, then definitely make sure to stick around, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's jump into today's episode. So specifically today, we are going to be looking at XRP, as you can see, which is correcting downwards by no surprise. We are going to be looking at Ethereum here, which is also correcting downwards, Bitcoin, which fell, and then the S&P 500, which isn't really seeing much movement, but we do have a lot of stuff to go over. First and foremost here, as you guys know, BitFi is the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel, and specifically, they're also one of the very few exchanges that offer XRP, but as I've shown you in the past a couple of days ago, BitFi just tweeted recently, this was yesterday, my apologies, they just tweeted that they're doing a really cool giveaway here, so congratulations to Ripple on its legal victory. Get ready for an exclusive offer today. All deposits come with a $100 perpetual contract bonus, so don't miss out on the fantastic opportunity. Limited to only US, Canada, Europe, and Australia users only, so make sure to check this out. Maximize your XRP potential with exclusive event. You deposit whatever, I guess, and then contact them. You just reach out to them by clicking right here. You click the bottom right corner, and then you can message them, reach out to them on this, and you'll be good to go. You send them a message, you let them know, and they'll deposit that into your account. Make sure to check that out. Link is down in the description if you want to take advantage and get the $100 free perpetual bonus. Make sure to check that out because everybody likes to perpetual trade. That's what I recommend doing. That's what I do. So make sure to check this out. Now, moving forward from here, looking at the way these markets are moving here, first and foremost, looking at the top 10 cryptos, markets are going to start to consolidate back down now, as expected. You can see 1.22 trillion. People like to buy the rumor, sell the news. I mean, the news is already out, excuse me. So we're seeing correction right now. This is kind of expected here. Once everything is coming, people heard the rumor, oh my God, buy, 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 buy. They bought it up. We explode to the upside here. Now the news is out. The news is broken. People are selling off to take profits, and the markets are dipping back down. As expected, by no surprise, we could see XRP is trending here. Lots of these cryptos are down 2.8. Ethereum's down 3%. XRP is down 6.8%, up 55% for the week. But you can see most of these cryptos are starting to slide down, even though most of them did see a big swing. You know, money went into XRP and then diversified out into other cryptocurrencies. But we are still doing very well. But we do need to talk about the opportunities here and the risks at stake for trading something like XRP. Now, in yesterday's video, or the past couple of videos, we've been talking about some interesting movements. We've been tracking the breakout here. Coincidence or correlation? You guys left a lot of comments on my previous videos, and I do appreciate it. I did ask for your opinion, and I do want to hear your opinion. We've been tracking this for quite some time now here. You can see, we can go back weeks ago, but in the past couple of days, we've been watching kind of the ascending fractal forming here on Ethereum. Then a couple of days ago, this is about 3 days ago, we were watching the descending fractal forming here. The bull flag here, we broke through price ceiling, and we exploded to the upside. We literally called it. I mean, you can't say this is any more perfect here. From this point to this point, perfect breakout opportunity, capitalizing on the run, and now we're starting to slide lower, as you can see here, which is totally cool as well. Now, some things you need to look at, and in yesterday's video, I kind of made this very specific. It's what I call the ripple effect, and coincidentally, that's actually what the name of the token is. But you can start to see here, we're starting to hit a bit of resistance, a bit of turbulence, as we are becoming extremely overbought here. However, there is a good thing. As you can see, I'm literally drawing this in. As we hit the top, the ripple effect, as if you were to slam a basketball as hard as you can on the ground. You can see right here, we slammed it on the ground as hard as we can. We explode up. Then we start to kind of get this ripple outwards, and volume kind of teeters downwards here. So we see the big pump that we saw. Now we're going to start to see a slow down. You can see exactly what I'm drawing here. This was in yesterday's video. What we can anticipate for XRP moving forward, which is this kind of, grand slam. You can see each high is going to be lower than the previous one as we slowly form downwards here, and that could then intertwine or create some sort of, technical indicator, an ascending fractal, so on and so forth. But we drew this yesterday, literally just drew this yesterday, how this would be the ripple effect here, sliding us lower from the previous top. And you can see that's already starting to take place on XRP. As we slammed the basketball right here, we exploded up. Now we're starting to slide lower. You can already see we're falling down. Who knows how low we'll go? But we are going to be sliding down nonetheless. It could be like this. Who knows? Something like that. And you can see it does form some sort of pennant flag or some sort of formation here as well. So you can see in hindsight here from the breakout, we actually swung up a total incredibly 100%. We doubled the price in a day here. Now from the top, we've corrected as low as 30%, currently falling down to 23% here, which is still not too bad, but it is a short nonetheless. And now we're starting to consolidate. But as I said, there is a ripple effect here, so it's going to be very volatile. We're going to start to see swings like this. Big swings in the market and big swings in the movement. If you feel like trading on that, feel free. If you haven't sold off, consider that, just keep your stop losses tight because there's a chance you could get wrecked in a movement like this. But it also opens up short opportunities, which is an option as well. You just have to keep your eyes peeled. But this was called for. We expected this break, not as high in any sense as I expected. But you could see we were tracking these bull flag formations before. Here was the first one. Here is the second one. And beautifully put, here is the third one. I mean, we've been calling this for months now, literally 4 months. We've been tracking the 3-point bull flag formation here. We can go back on my YouTube channel and you can see, let's move down here. I know I've highlighted this on numerous occasions. You can see just 2 weeks ago, we were talking about the fact that there is the third bull flag formation here, which would blast us to the upside. So super happy that we saw that. You can see we've talked about this so many times. Here we go. 3 weeks ago, mentioning the bull flag formation here. That was in perfect alignment with a break to the upside here. So correlation isn't always causation. It is a coincidence. Maybe it's not. Maybe the prices were factored into here, but we were planning for a break right at this point. Maybe not as high, but we were planning for a break to happen right dead center right here. So surprisingly, it was to the upside, which is great news if you ask me, but we are seeing that run. Now we have to plan out possible consolidation. Obviously, it is risky, but I'm going to be transparent. It is going to be very difficult to trade on something like this until we see some consolidation. We are just, way too, crazy right now. We needed to pull back down to the, less overbought, which is what we did. We were trading at 86 in the RSI. Now we're back down to 71. There's a chance we could slide lower, but we just have to be patient and see what exactly forms moving forward here. But obviously, we do all these trades on BidFi, which is the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. A lot of you guys want to know where to trade XRP. Obviously, many cryptocurrency exchanges don't offer it. It would have been very difficult for you to trade around on XRP. But fortunately, XRP is offered on BidFi, one of the very few exchanges that offer XRP, especially in the US, which is even better considering most of you guys are from the US. So make sure to check out BidFi down in the description below. This is where I've been able to trade and leverage and short and swing trade and capitalize off the runs that happen on XRP here. So I highly recommend you check out and, join BidFi because it's completely free. And, it's just a tool in the toolbox. If you don't like to use them or you do like to use them, you can just have multiple exchanges, do whatever you want. But this is an easy breakout that we've pretty much been watching and following for so long. You can see clearly drawn here. Here's the beautiful movement here that we were tracking. I just want to draw this in green, but you can see it was clear as day. It was expected. I don't actually like this color. Let's do yellow. Here we go. Okay, so you can see we were tracking this. Each time we bottomed out, it was an easy opportunity to capitalize off it. And you can see we were tracking most recently this breakout right here. As we were filling in the gap here, you can see we were creating lower highs, and then eventually we're creating higher lows. Filling in the gap, we needed to meet some point. You could see volume slowly started to build. Look at this. Volume actually got higher than before. Tons of resistance here, but we didn't see much price movement. Major pressure, major buy and sell pressure here. And then we popped right out of the downtrend here, right as we were getting constricted with the moving averages, the 99-day moving average, the 25-day, and the 7-day moving averages here. And we broke to the upside. It was the easiest, literally the easiest textbook opportunity to leverage this crypto. And that's what we took advantage of. BidFi lets you leverage. It lets you long. It lets you short. It lets you create that leverage. It lets you create stop losses. It lets you create take profits, especially on XRP. So make sure to check them out down in the description below. And other cool features, they offer a demo account. So if you're not yet ready to trade around on here, you can do so. using the 100K in Monopoly money to test your skills. It's simulated money here. So make sure to use this, if you're new to the exchange, if you've never tried it before, if you want to practice your skills, this is the way to do so. And then you could go to the live account if you want. Not only do they have that sign up or the deposit bonus to get $100 in perpetual trading, which is what we do. You could see either doing light contracts or whatever else you want to do, but they even offer, where is it? Bonus of up to $2,888 completely free by signing up as a new user or just the advanced test if you're already a subscriber here. So make sure to check out Bid Fight down in the description below. Moving forward and checking out Ethereum, as we've already covered XRP. Ethereum is doing some weird stuff too. We've been tracking this for a while. We knew the bull flag was going to break. You can see here's the actual flag pull. Here's the Elliott impulse wave inside the actual flag. And just like that, we explode to the upside here. Now we're inside an ascending fractal that we've been tracking, talking when the opportunity was. But you can see we're kind of pinballing off this. So once we confirmed closure below this top resistance here, this was an opportunity to short to the downside. Obviously, it's still risky. Trading inside any of these ascending fractals is very risky. You're better off waiting for a confirmation above or below support or resistance to capitalize on. So let's let this play out. Obviously, there's bigger swings to come. But if we can break through this price ceiling at the top here, that's the opportunity to get in and to long, or to get in and to short. So if we can confirm closure above here, we can buy in and long. If we confirm closure below here, we could buy in and short, so on and so forth. Bitcoin, same exact thing as Ethereum. Trading in here, not seeing any movement. If we can confirm above or below the support or resistance, that's when we buy in. We break through resistance here, we buy in and long. We break through support, we buy in and short. Very simple, very easy to understand. The S&P just needs to consolidate back down. Don't know why it hasn't already, but it needs to come back down and moving average. So just keep your eyes peeled on this. But with that being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.